Hello Chad, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide. It has only 8,400 miles on it. We're selling it for $24,888 plus HST and licensing. Here's the VIN number as well, just in case if you need it for insurance to get some quotes. So this is a limited edition. The fairing, part of fairing is matching color as the whole fairing as well. It does have an ABS. It comes with crash bars. I love these new bags because you can open with one hand and lock it as well the same way. It's very easy to use. It has amazing exhaust. It's a Vance & Hines one side 2-in-1 exhaust. Great sound. These lights are all extras. I'm gonna open the ignition just so you can take a look and see what it looks like. This 4,693 kilometers. Oh, it's a true B. But here is the USB connector as well for a sound system. You can connect your phone, play music from the phone. It works just amazing. Very nice ape hangers. They are short. They are about 12 inches, I would say. So it's very comfortable. The windscreen is upgraded. The mirrors are upgraded as well. So 103 engine, and look at this beautiful tail here. LEDs, the lower piece, and these are actually signals as well, so they are super bright and very visible. So run it for a long time. It does have a cruise control. You were asking me about it, and the sound system, you can actually change from here to stations, volume. This is the cruise right here. I'm not sure if you can see. It says yeah, I can't really focus. It's really, oh, here we go. And there's tank cap. So basically that's all about this motorcycle. It has a toe shifter, a hill shifter. This is a little charger cable we attach to the battery, so you don't have to take any parts of it to charge it. The passenger food bags and another bag with some manuals there as well. If you have any question, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.